Welcome, greetings for the day. Watch video till the end. Please subscribe to the channel and press bell icon. News right to information equals north, east, west, south equals news. Farmers protest. In this video I will explain about Farmers 2020 law and why farmers are protesting, and also All India Bharat Bandh on 8th December 2020. Farmers reforms in 2020. Agriculture bill was passed in the Parliament of India on 27th September 2020. The bills collectively seeks to provide farmers with less government APMC market trade interference, more private marketplace and direct selling all across India and online, contract farming, and provide a legal framework for farmers. Essential commodities are less regulated, hence providing free trade and less interference from government. The three laws are Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Act, and second one is the Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Act, and the third one is Essential Commodities Amendment Act, which came into effect following the approval of President Ramnath Kovind. Pro- Protest against this act picked up in September 2020, particularly in Punjab and Haryana, where farmers have been the at the forefront. The first law, Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Act, details as follows. Prior to 2020 legislation to this law, agricultural trade in India could only be conducted in APMC markets. APMC market is mandis, whereas government employees were regulating all trade. But in this act, however, outside trade areas such as farm gates, factories, premises, private parties, warehouses, cold storage, all government can trade in to agriculture, and also online also trade is allowed in this act. Why the farmers are protesting, why the farmers are criticizing this act is the act bypasses agriculture produce market committee, that is APMC market, and it creates a trading platform to private parties, by which APMC markets are closing, and the APMC market brokers and also the government employees who were involved in this trade are left with no work. According to Maharashtra government's report, 306 APMC mandis are closing because of no trade or zero business in the APMC market because of this law announced, only announced and amended, announced and amended. Because of this, APMC market and other political parties are called for a Bharat Bandh on 8th December 2020. The second law, the Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Act, details are as follows. In this act, Indian government that creates a national framework for contract farming through an agreement between a farmer and a private party who is looking for a produce from the farmer. The government asserts that the act helps protect farmers engaging with agribusiness firms, processors, wholesalers, exporters, or large retailers for farm services and sale of future farming produce by a mutually agreed lucrative price framework in a fair and transparent manner through a contract. Why farmers are protesting to this act is criticizing, why farmers are criticizing is the, the act was met with wide criticism from farmers all over the country, particularly Punjab and Haryana, mainly under the argument that without any regulation farmers interest will be overlooked, since the appellate authority was the highest level of appeal for the farmers. is effectively prevented from moving the court. Thus, the opposition parties claim that the act is highly skewed in favor of private entities, as the individual farmers did not have the resources that private companies had. And the third law is Essential Commodities Amendment Act. Details are as follows. In this act, Parliament of India that was established to ensure the delivery of certain commodities or products, the supply of which, if obstructed due to a hoarding or black marketing, would affect the normal life of the people. This includes foodstuff, drugs, fuels, petroleum, etc. The Act was modified by Essential Commodities Amendment Act 2020 as part of the 2020 Indian Farm Reforms, and has since been used by the government to regulate the production, supply, and distribution of a whole host of commodities that is declared essential in order to make them available to consumers at fair price. Additional, the government can also fix the maximum retail price of any packaged food product that is declares an essential commodity. The list of items under the Act include drug, fertilizers, pulses, edible oils, as well as petroleum and petroleum products. The center can include new commodities as and when the need arise and take them off the list once the situation improves. Why third law is criticized is essential commodities are less regulated in this act, hence providing free trade and less interference from government, by which private players may sell products at higher rates. And also, some essential products are included, uh, exempted, or removed from the essential commodity list. Example: onion, potato, etc. Bharat Bandh on 8 December 2020. Farmers of 40 unions groups have called for Bharat Bandh on December 8, demanding withdrawal of the Agriculture Amendment Bill. And also trade unions of some 10 trade unions all across India have called for a Bharat Bandh, and they are supporting the Bharat Bandh. In that joint forum of 10 central trade unions, Indian National Trade Union Congress, All India Trade Union, AITUC, HMS, CQ, AIUTUC have called for Bharat Bandh, and also political parties are also supporting the Bharat Bandh. In that, Congress, National Congress Party, Shiv Sena, Telangana Rashtra Party, and Samajwadi Party are supporting the Bharat Bandh, and also Aam Aadmi Party are also supporting the Bharat Bandh, and Janata Dal are also supporting Bharat Bandh. Bahujan Samaj Party is also supporting Bharat Bandh, and also opposition parties have released a statement stating uh, this food security agriculture law threatens Indian food security, destroys Indian agriculture and our farmers' interest, and farmland will be destroyed. And also maximum support price and mortgage of Indian agriculture and our markets to capsize multinational agribusiness corporates. It will help corporates to boost their business, and farmers will be doing suicide. Because of that, this formula is opposed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and press bell icon.